Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to start AWS certification. Your first step is to understand the various certification paths available. AWS offers certifications across different experience levels, from foundational to specialty. The Cloud Practitioner certification is ideal for those new to the cloud, providing a broad overview of AWS services. Associate-level certifications, like Solutions Architect Associate, delve deeper into specific roles. Consider your current experience and career goals to choose the most suitable path forward. Choosing your first certification is crucial for building a strong foundation. For individuals with no prior AWS experience, the Cloud Practitioner certification is highly recommended. It validates your understanding of the AWS cloud, its core services, security, and pricing models. If you already have some hands-on experience, an associate-level certification, such as the Solutions Architect or Developer Associate, might be a better fit. Research job descriptions to see which certifications are most valued in your target roles. Effective preparation is key to passing your AWS certification exam. Start by exploring the official AWS training and documentation, which are invaluable resources. Many online platforms offer comprehensive courses tailored to specific certifications, often including hands-on labs. Supplement your learning with practice, exams to gauge your readiness and identify areas needing more attention. Aim for a score of 80% or higher on practice tests before scheduling your actual exam to boost your confidence. Once you feel prepared, it's time to register for your exam. Visit the AWS certification portal to schedule your test, choosing between an online proctored exam or a test center. Make sure to review the exam guide thoroughly, as it outlines the content domains and question types. On exam day, ensure you have a stable internet connection and a quiet environment for online exams, or arrive at the test center at least 15 minutes early. Good luck on your AWS certification journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.